everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 10 TabMax, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and here it doesn't really matter on which mode we will be. We can be on the video or the auto mode, and then let's enter the settings. And now we have to scroll down to the very bottom, and as you can see right here we've got the reset settings option. What's more, let me get back because I forgot to say about the grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the actual evidence that the reset option will work. So after resetting the settings, they should disappear, so we will check that. So as I said, let's enter the settings and tap on reset settings. Confirm it with tapping on reset, and as you can see we've immediately got back to the camera and we cannot see the grid lines, which means that fortunately we just successfully reset all camera preferences. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera settings in your TCL 10 TabMax. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.